This video is on how to clean a pasta machine that's used for polymer clay. You want to periodically clean your pasta machine to remove buildup that accumulates on the rollers and guide blades. It's important to clean your rollers because over time the plasticizers in the clay can cause a chemical reaction with the steel rollers, which causes black streaks in your clay. And it's important to clean your guide blades because it can accumulate clay deposits, causing contamination between new colors of clay. To clean the rollers, grab a paper towel and dab with a few drops of mineral oil or olive oil and wipe the rollers as you crank the handle. You can also clean the body of the pasta machine while you're at it. If you're on a time crunch, you can also use baby wipes to clean the rollers between different colors of clay. To clean the blades, turn your pasta machine over and you should see 2 guide blades beneath each roller. Guide blades help lift the flattened clay off the rollers. Stickier clays tend to increase the level of buildup that occurs. The bottom guide blades usually have the most deposits, but the top one can have some too. Use either baby wipes, toothpicks, or a Q-tip with a little oil to run it along each blade to remove the buildup. Normally, right at the tip of the guide blade is where you'll see the clay deposits. For some reason, I don't have as much of that today, but I usually run a toothpick along that area to loosen up bits of clay, then follow with a Q-tip. It helps if you already clean the rollers with oil because some of that drips down to the guide blades, making it easier to clean. You can also clean the top guide blade. It's easier with a towel, but I'm using a Q-tip so you can see where I'm cleaning. After cleaning the guide blades, crank your machine to wipe the blades again with a dry paper towel since some of the residue you removed from the blades may have rubbed onto the rollers and you don't want to leave too much oil on the surface either. Then followed by repeatedly rolling a large sheet of scrap clay through the machine to pick up any loosened bits of clay. And here are just a few tips. In order to reduce the amount of time spent cleaning your machine between different colors of clay, it's best to start with light to dark clays. Also, using firmer clays will reduce the amount of clay deposits. And if you have the budget and are invested in the craft, having 2 pasta machines can make your life a lot easier, using one for lighter clays and the other for darker clays. Thanks for watching till the very end. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and good luck with your next project.